Are you passionate about baking? Do you dream of creating mouth-watering pastries and breads? Well, we have great news for you. In Germany, the Ausbildung system offers a fantastic opportunity to become a skilled baker. This comprehensive training program combines theory and practical experience, ensuring you have all the necessary skills to excel in the industry. During your Ausbildung, you will learn everything from the basics of dough preparation to the art of cake decoration. You will work in bakeries and also attend vocational school, where you'll receive in-depth knowledge about ingredients, techniques, and hygiene standards. One of the best things about an Ausbildung in baking is the on-the-job training. You will have the opportunity to work alongside experienced bakers, learning valuable tips and tricks from their expertise. This hands-on experience will give you real-world skills that are highly sought after in the industry. But it's not just about the practical skills. An Ausbildung in baking also teaches you essential soft skills like time management, teamwork, and communication. These skills are crucial for success in any workplace and will greatly enhance your career prospects. And here's the best part. After completing your Ausbildung, you will have numerous opportunities for further growth and development. You can specialize in a specific area like pastry or artisan bread, or even explore the world of confectionery. With your Ausbildung as a baker, the possibilities are endless. So, if you're passionate about baking and want to turn your passion into a rewarding career, consider an Ausbildung in baking in Germany. It's your chance to bake your future and create delicious masterpieces every day. Language Pro handles it all for you. From managing paperwork to providing German language training and assisting with visa documentation, we've got you covered.